The best breakfast foods for health. 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a nutritional powerhouse. It contains beta-glucan, which is a thick, sticky fiber that helps a person to feel full for longer and may also lower cholesterol. One study revealed that people who ate oatmeal for breakfast felt fuller. Trusted source and ate less at lunchtime than people who ate cornflakes. This was particularly true in people who were overweight. Oats are also rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, folate, and potassium. Steel-cut oats, which contain more protein and fiber than other types of oats, are a good option because they have a lower glycemic index, GI. A low GI means a person's blood sugar will not increase as much. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a popular breakfast food. They are nutritious and contain high-quality protein. Some people think that eggs are unhealthful because of the amount of cholesterol they contain. However, research trusted source has shown that the dietary cholesterol from eggs has only a minor impact on bad cholesterol, or low-density lipoprotein, LDL, in the blood. A small study trusted source on people at high risk of developing type 2 diabetes or cardiovascular disease found that eating whole eggs and moderately reducing carbohydrate consumption resulted in improvements in blood cholesterol levels. It also reduced waist circumference, weight, and body fat. 3. Nuts and nut butter. If a person does not eat animal products, eating nuts is another excellent way to get enough protein. Nuts also contain antioxidants, magnesium, potassium, and heart-healthful fats. According to a 30-year-long study in the New England Journal of Medicine, people who consumed nuts 7 or more times per week had a 20% lower risk of death compared to people who did not eat nuts. Nut butter is very versatile. People can spread nut butter on whole grain toast, mix it into oatmeal or yogurt, or use it as a dip for fresh fruit. 4. Coffee. Drinking coffee with breakfast is popular due to its caffeine content. Coffee also offers other health benefits due to its antioxidants, which help fight inflammation. One review from the American Diabetes Association suggests that drinking either regular or decaffeinated coffee could decrease the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The researchers also suggested that some components of coffee improve glucose metabolism. However, adding cream or sugar will reduce the beneficial effects of coffee. It is best to reduce or avoid adding sugar to coffee and choose non-fat or plant-based milk instead of cream. 5. Berries. Berries of all kinds, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are an excellent way to start the morning. They are low in calories, high in fiber, and contain disease-fighting antioxidants. A study from the American Heart Association trusted source showed an association between a higher intake of the antioxidants found in berries with a lower risk of heart attack in young women. Sprinkle berries on cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, or blend them into smoothies. If fresh berries are expensive or not in season, buy frozen berries, which are just as nutritious. However, it is best to choose frozen berries without any added sugar for optimal health benefits. 6. Flaxseed. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber. The health benefits of flaxseed include lowering blood levels of cholesterol trusted source, improving insulin sensitivity, lowering blood sugar, and even protecting against breast cancer trusted source. People can sprinkle flax seeds on yogurt or oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies. It is essential to purchase ground flax seed or to grind the seeds at home, as whole flax seeds will pass through the body without breaking down. 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is another excellent source of protein to eat in the morning. Greek yogurt is thick and creamy and contains more protein than regular strained yogurt. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium and contains probiotics that help support a healthy gut and immune system. People can pair this low-fat, high-protein food with other foods on this list, such as berries or nut butter. 8. Tea. Black, green, and white teas all contain antioxidants, but green tea is probably the most healthful. According to one study trusted source, green tea may help burn fat and promote weight loss. These teas contain some caffeine but not as much as coffee. Tea can also help a person stay hydrated. 9. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is another protein powerhouse. One study trusted source showed that cottage cheese could curb hunger just as efficiently as eggs do. Cottage cheese is also rich in B vitamins, vitamin A, and calcium. People can eat cottage cheese by itself, or mix it with other savory foods, such as pepper and spring onions, or fruit or nuts. 10. Bananas. Bananas are a quick and convenient addition to a nutritious breakfast. They also make a good mid-morning snack to keep hunger at bay. Bananas contain resistant starch. The body does not digest resistant starch, so it travels through the body unchanged, which helps support digestive health. Unripe bananas contain more resistant starch than ripe bananas, which have more natural sugars. Bananas are also a great source of potassium, which may support healthy blood pressure. Trusted source in some people. Bananas are great with nut butter or on top of oatmeal or cereal. Summary. When eating breakfast in the morning, make sure to choose foods that are filling and contain lots of nutrients. Choosing the best foods to eat in the morning can help curb hunger and kickstart a person's metabolism for the day.